could you tell us the definition between sensation and perceiving?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Later on.
So
it doesn't
no,
matter.
I'll do it now because it's a very important question. That's because I use the two words very specifically. So perceiving is seeing, hearing, touching, tasting, and smelling.
Senses, the 5 senses.
Yeah. Now, close your eyes and go to the tingling sensation behind your eyes. Yes? There's a tingling behind your eyes. You can't see it, you can't hear it, you can't taste it, you can't smell it, and you can't touch it. In other words, it's not a perception. It's what I refer to as a sensation. The way we feel the body from the inside. Hunger is a sensation. You can't see, hear, touch, taste, or smell it, but nevertheless, you experience it. It's not a concept, it's not an image, and it's not a perception. It's a sensation. So sensation is the way we perceive the body from the inside. Perception is the way we experience the world on the outside. We experience the world in 5 ways: sights, sounds, tastes, textures, and smells. So perceptions are the way we experience the world on the outside. Sensation is the way we experience the body on the inside. So I'm glad you asked that question because I use these two words with very specific meanings.
Thank you. And you mentioned, of course, and we could feel it, it's happening in the consciousness. However, we still need the faculty of your eyes, ears. So it's happening here because body instrument is required.
Yes, the body is the instrument through which consciousness perceives itself as the world. But that doesn't mean, although the consciousness looks through your eyes, it doesn't mean that it's located behind your eyes. Let me give you a clear example. When you have a dream at night, you dream that you're walking on the streets of Paris. Yes? You're asleep in California, is that right? Yeah.
Yes.
You're asleep in California, but you're dreaming that you're viewing the streets of Paris. You've no idea you're asleep in California. You think you're in Paris. You're walking down the streets of Paris, and you notice something very consistent. When you close your eyes, you can't see the streets of Paris. You open your eyes, you can see the streets of Paris. You close your eyes, you can't. You open them, you can. This happens every time you do the experience. And you conclude from this that whatever it is that is seeing the streets of Paris must be located just behind my eyes. I've got the proof. I close my eyes, I can no longer see Paris. But is whatever it is that is perceiving the dreamed streets of Paris located just behind the eyes of the person you seem to be on the streets of Paris? No, it's located in your mind in California. It's not located in the dreamed world at all. Now, it's exactly the same. That which is perceiving your current experience is perceiving through your eyes or through the faculties of sense perception, but it is not located anywhere in the time and space that seem to be real to you in the waking state. And that's mind-blowing.
It's magical almost.
It is magical. The awareness with which we are currently aware of time and space and everything that it contains is not contained in time and space. So then the mind immediately goes, well, what is where could it be located? It must be outside of time and space. But that's the finite mind trying to imagine where it is located in a way that is consistent with its own limitations. It's like the woman on the streets of Paris realizing, okay, the knowing, that which perceives the streets of Paris is not located in my world, so it must somehow exist beyond my world. No, even the idea of beyond my world is a limitation of her mind. the knowing with which we know our experience is not extended in any dimension of time or space. It is dimensionless. It's in another realm. But this realm is a manifestation of that realm. Time and space are a manifestation of the eternal, infinite realm of consciousness, which has no dimension.
So you need the eyes and the body as faculties, but once that happens, it's an awareness, so it's everywhere, everything, without time, without space.
Yes, but now I'm just going to... Yes, you need the sense perceptions of the body are required to perceive the world. Now, I'm going to give you one thought, and this is your homework to ponder. What is said, what I've just said, is a concession to the belief that there is a physical body. Why do I make that concession? Because it was presumed in your question. You said, is the physical body necessary? So I agree with you, yes, it's necessary. The physical body is only a physical body from the limited point of view of perception. The physical body is not actually a physical body. It's made of mind. It's made of thinking and perceiving. It's just what this cluster of thinking and perceiving looks like from another source of perception.